Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to our last session of Subject Verb Agreement Part 3. Today, let's begin with the word data. Nowadays, data is popular among us, isn't it? Shall I ask a question? Is data singular or plural? Do you know? There is a debate about the word data. Technically, data is plural. The singular form as datum. However, in common usage, people often treat data like information as an uncountable noun which takes the singular form. So, both forms are correct. Example, the data is accurate or the data are accurate. Don't use datas, it's wrong. What about half of, some of, a third of, 40% of, or some, or most? These words can be singular or plural depending on what follows them. They take a plural verb if the reference is to number, for example, to things that are countable. They take a singular verb if the reference is to amount or quantity, for example, to things are uncountable. Let's check the examples. Some of the houses are dark and dingy. It shows number. So we use here are. It's plural. Houses. Next one. Some of the milk was spilled on the floor. Here, milk is the subject. It shows quantity. So we have to use here singular verb was. Next one. Half of the eggs were rotten. Half of the eggs. It shows number. So we use here plural verb were. But see this, half of the land was barren. It is uncountable. Land is uncountable. So we have to use here the singular verb was. 40% of the people don't support the new law. People are countable. It shows number. So we have to use here don't, plural verb don't. See the last one. 40% of the country doesn't support the new law. Here we use the singular verb does because here we don't have any number to count. So we use singular. See these words, both of, a few of, many, several. These words always take the plural form of the verb. Both of my brothers are older than me. A few of these products have defects. Several of the students aren't going to pass. These shows number. Many of the flowers have no smell. Many of the flowers, it's plural, so we use here have. But much refers to amount or quantity. It is singular and takes a singular verb. See the example, much of the countryside was flooded. As it is singular, we use singular verb was. Then people and cattle are plural and take a plural verb. There is no singular form for cattle. It's already plural. Cattle refers to a herd. A herd of cattle is singular. Cattle itself is plural. As the police, it refers to plural. For example, the cattle were grazing in the field. We don't use cattles. People in our village are hardworking. Okay. Names of certain diseases and of certain sciences or branches of knowledge which end in S are also singular. Examples, measles, mumps, mathematics, politics, physics, economics, human rights. They are considered as singular. Examples, measles is an infectious disease. Human rights is an important subject these days. Physics is an important branch of science. When a plural number applies to distances, weights, heights, or amounts of money taken as a whole, it is treated as a singular and takes a singular verb. Examples, 10 kilometers is not a great distance these days. Here we don't use kilometers are because it shows distance. 200 grams of tea cost 85 rupees. It shows quantity or weight. So we use here singular form of the verb costs. 10,000 is a lot of money. It's an amount. It takes singular verb. $10 is a high price to pay. Here $10 is considered as unit. It is an amount of money. So we use us. But $10 are scattered on the floor. It refers dollars themselves. So we use are. Is that clear? If the title of a book or the name of a house or a hotel takes a singular verb, since it is only one title or one building. The Arabian Nights is a great favorite with children. The Arabian Nights is the name of a book. It takes singular verb. The Seven Sisters is situated on High Road. The Seven Sisters is either the name of a hotel or a building. The words each of, every, everyone, everybody, every one of, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, none, none of, neither of, either of, somebody, someone require a singular verb. See the examples. Each of the participants was willing to be recorded. Neither of the boys has won a scholarship. No one was available to meet with me at the preferred time. None of the applicants was found fit for the job. Is either of your twins an engineer? Every one of the events was keenly contested. Uncountable nouns take a singular verb. Education is the key to success. Education is an uncountable noun. The research I found on the topic was limited. The research is uncountable. Children, hope you have understood today's class. Then let me check your understanding. Do this quiz. Stop your video and do this. Hope you have finished. What is the first question? The price of these jeans is or are reasonable. What is the answer? The price of these jeans is reasonable. Why? Because in this sentence the subject is price. It is singular. Okay. See the next one. The books borrowed from the library are on my desk, not is, because the subject is books. Okay. See the third one. The boy who won the 2 medals is a friend of mine. Why? Because the subject is boy, not 2 medals. Fourth one. Bread and butter is our daily breakfast. It refers a food. And also it's a compound noun. It's compound subject. So we have to use here is. It refers to one food. Next one. The famous singer and composer has arrived, because it refers to one person. Famous singer and composer. There is only one person. Next one. Collecting all matchboxes is one of his favorite pastimes, because here the subject is collecting, not matchboxes. Next one. The quality of the sweets is poor, because what is the subject in this sentence? The subject is quality. It's uncountable and we have to use here singular verb. Next one. Neither parent is fond of playing cards, because neither is always used singular. None of my friends was there, because none of is also used singular. Next one. My father as well as his colleagues was robbed, because here what is the subject? My father. My father is the subject, not my father and his colleagues. So we have to use here was. Next one. 10 tons is a heavy load, because it refers to weight. 10 tons. It is singular. 30 years is a long time. Why? You can ask why. Because 30 are there. 30 years. Is it singular or plural? When years used to refer to a period of time, it takes a singular verb. It shows one entity. But we can say 2 years are added to the training program. It shows more than one entity. Then you will ask, what do you mean by entity? Entity means being independent or being separate or self-contained existence. Here in this example, 30 years is a long time. It shows one entity. It's a long time, period of time. But 30 years, it's a long time. It shows time. Okay. See the last one. The poor are suffering. Why? Because the poor is plural. It refers more than one. If we refer it as a singular, we can say poor man, poor girl, poor boy, etc. Here it shows many people. So we use here are. Is that clear? Hope you have got all answers. Your doubts are clarified. See you in the next class with another grammar video. Thank you.